Good morning, guys, from the Taipei main station. Today we are going on the bullet train to Tainan. So from Taipei to Tainan. And yeah, it's my first bullet train in Asia. So very excited for that. Let's see, so I actually don't quite know where we're going here. So when you walk in, there are a few signs, I think. So it says the high-speed rail probably is this way. So I actually bought my tickets for the train on the mobile app. Here, I'll show you guys. But I believe you can also come to the station itself to buy the tickets. This is the app here that I was using. And you can see I got the 9:21 tickets, and it's currently 9:03. So very much on time and early today. So I think we just go down this way. Okay, so you can buy tickets here itself. So when you walk in, I see it says platform HSR, so I'm gonna keep following this here. But I got the business class tickets. So I reserved a seat for business class, and that was 2,230 new Taiwan dollar, which is about 68-69 USD, which is definitely the most expensive purchase I've made thus far while traveling, besides maybe a hotel in Malaysia at one point. So I think we go this way. So you can see here to HSR train and your car. There's 1 to 6 over there, and then 7 to 12 is that way. And because I pre-purchased it, train 619, car 6, seat 11E, so I think I can just go through this way here. And I guess I have the QR code. 请问我就放在这里。这边扫描就可以了。好，谢谢。啊。 So I think platform 1.
他不來，我到天府提單告借到借咯。
Yeah, very convenient. Okay, so I'm car 6, so I think I'm way down that way. But another train has arrived. You can see it's very beautiful. Okay, so I think I'll be here, car 6, kind of just waiting here in a weird alley, wait for my train to come. But yeah, this should be really exciting. The bullet train here, I saw the fastest it will go is 100, I think 75 or 85 miles per hour. So very, very fast. And I believe they use a lot of like Japanese technology here for the bullet train. And yeah, right off the bat, I'll say it looks very different from the American Amtrak trains. This thing literally looks so aerodynamic. And the business class, yeah, so I'll be here, I think. The business class looks pretty nice, looks pretty spacious. I think I'll be getting food and everything too along the way, so for free, hopefully. So I lied, I was actually waiting on the wrong side. So your train will be on the screen displayed here. So I'm actually on this side, which is good to know. Otherwise I would have gone the other direction. I love the fences here. That's where I am. Lebanese. Oh. That's nice. Oh, it's so quiet in here, so I'm gonna talk quietly. Let's see what we got. Nice armrest. I think maybe if I push this, something will happen, so I don't want to push it. We got outlets here. We got a nice footrest. Oh, some lady just came by with newspapers. You can see plenty of leg room. There's plenty of luggage space up there as well. The seats are so comfortable, plush. Yeah, overall very, very nice. Let's see what kind of exciting services they provide while on this business class. So looks like we get food here. Ooh, 你好。
需要什么呢？千层酥、樱花虾饼干。
饼干我可以。
你要甜的还是咸的？
甜的。谢谢。Nice. It's so smooth, I didn't even notice it was starting to move. Okay, let's see. They give us this red quinoa millefeuille. Very nice. And a hand towelette as well. I'm not super hungry, so I'll save this for later. Hopefully they come with coffee. Looks like they have drink service. 你好，我要喝咖啡。
长包奶球需要吗？
没有。
小心烫哦，
谢谢。
谢谢。
So fun. Also, though, doesn't feel very full. The cup, I feel like it's maybe only filled to here, but that's okay. You can actually see that this train is very empty still. But I know that Taipei is one of their earlier stops, so maybe it'll be filled up along the way. So I'm going to Tainan, which is all the way in south of Taiwan, and I think I should get there in like an hour and 45 minutes, which is pretty insane. Yeah, this thing is moving. So I just discovered a few more features. So there's nice bag holders here for your bag. Let's see, people are doing that. And then I click this button, and there's actually a light. Super convenient. And the coffee is actually pretty good. It tastes pretty strong. It does say this Illy brand. I'm not sure if that's actually what they use or not. But if it is, it's good. Very hot though. Wow, it's so beautiful. It doesn't feel that fast, by the way. Beautiful, the hills over there. This amazing tall rise apartments. You can actually, I feel like you can actually get a lot of work done here too. Get a laptop. Usually do have a laptop. I'm actually doing some good work. 谢谢。
谢谢，拜拜。
Ooh, okay, we made it